Welcome back again, everyone. So this is Sharon. Basically, in this video, we are going to see a malware which is still available in the Play Store, which is acting as a Trojan and also spyware and stealing a data of a user who have installed this, right? So this is the app you can see in the screen. So it's named as now QR code scan. So basically, this is a QR code scanner. Obviously, everyone would have know what is the functionality of QR code scanner. It just scans the QR code or a barcode which is available, and it redirects to a website or it syncs the contacts or a vcard if it is available. So basically, like above Android 10, it has been inbuilt in like mobile itself, but I don't know why the people will still install a third party app for QR code. So it's okay, let us go and further, I mean, like, let us investigate what does this QR code does. So this is a one, I mean, like, you can see it has a worst rating, and still it has a 10,000 plus install. You can just see, like, it has been updated on Adobe 19 just 5 days before, but the number of installs are 10,000 plus. I don't know how it is getting spreaded a lot. Might be like some SMS phishing from the user, or I don't know, easy running some campaign. uh, I have already fetched this APK, so let me reload my JADAX. It has been like over buffered. So let us open my JADAX. In the meanwhile, I have already downloaded my APK. It is available here. Not this, sorry. So this is the APK. Oops. So let me load it into my JADAX. So I have already installed that APK into my device. These are like now QR APK. So we can't see any much dynamic activities in this, because I mean, like, it is not loading anything from a server. So let me show you in settings like what all the permissions it is syncing with. Mm, there is now camera, right? No, yeah, now. So it is taking contacts, phone, and storage. So camera is necessary for a QR code scanner. So these three are, I don't know, like it feels so much suspicious. After then that, it doesn't have any notification stuff, and no sets from, okay. Yeah, let us jump to our investigation. So I think we got what is the basic usage of a QR code scan, right? So, and this is basically still in a version one. So we'll see, like, we'll analyze what does it contains in a source code. So as always, let us go to the Android manifest and see what does it contains. So camera, we already saw it, like in settings. So dangerous functions are read contacts and read phone state, and it does have some activities and some providers and some metadata stuff. Cool, nothing bad. So we have a read contacts. Let us try to surf about the read contacts API. We all know, right, what is a read contacts API? It's a contacts contract, right? Just like for send SMS, we search for send text message, send data, send multimedia messages, like such functionality. So as it is the read context, let us try contacts contract. Oops, it is not returning anything for us. So isn't it fetching any contacts? I haven't analyzed it yet. Like, I thought of analyze with a video only, so I'm analyzing it directly. So it doesn't have any related to read contact. Let us try to search with some telephony manager, because even it can do telephony. It does have telephony manager. What is this? This just declaring. Hmm. Oh, oh. What is he doing? He's just creating a hash map of all the manager stuff. Oh, okay. Is he taking all these permissions? I think this is some Android predefined class. Probably. Okay. Uh, there were some other parts also, right? You can see here. Telephone. Yes. Okay. This is not giving us the things what we needed. It is getting some things. Yeah, it is doing some things. Okay, we'll go from a beginning. We'll go to the main package first, and we'll see what is like whether can we see some suspicious functionalities in main package. So this is our main package, right? Uh, Free now code scanner, where we can see, yeah. But whatever it is loading from CDAC QR code scanner. Let us see what does it do. So main activity he has created two buttons which we saw. So nothing special. Picture mode. Uh, what we okay. These are resolutions. He's creating with a bitmap. Uh, Scanning detector. Okay. Lifecycle created, and he's checking for permission of external storage. Yeah, because if we take a photo, probably, yeah, external storage sounds not so suspicious when we have a camera permission. Okay, so not so anything like we could not find anything suspicious in this. Go to scanner board. Okay. Hmm, Nothing bad. Splash activity, animation stuff. There's another application. New downloader builder dot d. What is dot d? Okay. What is this? Hey. Okay. What is this? Hey. What is this B? We can't see them, right? Can you see this ABC here? No, I don't think so. No, there is no ABC stuff here. And A itself is referred as a package, but we can't. Okay, we have some A package, B package here. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Okay. Full some string fragmentation. Okay. On completed. Okay. Text class loader. Okay. We got something suspicious. I guess there is some text class loader. Okay, we'll check in our Android shell. So nothing else in this. Pardon me. I think they are using some string obfuscations things. I'm pretty sure about that. I'm pretty sure about they are using some string obfuscation. It's okay. Let us find. We got some endpoint like there is some text loader, right? So let us check our ADB shell. It has to be there in somewhere in ADB shells. Nothing suspicious here too. Mm, Okay. There's some package build config downloader. Sorry guys. Okay. There is some downloader stuff. Okay, so let us not waste our time. We got there is something Dex loader. Let us go into the Dex loader stuff. ADB, sorry. Uh, my voice is not so good today. Actually, I am suffering from a cold too much. So try to go ahead, carry. I mean, like go ahead with my voice if possible. If you get any doubts, please let me know in comment section or ask me in my group overall is there. So we'll try to explain. Right. I wanted to show it today only because the Google Play Store might remove the app next day. So I don't want to miss that thing. That's why I'm making a video. Right. So let us. So this is a package, right? So if we see, yes, we have so many folders. So whenever text class loads, it always stores in a files folder. So always go to the files folder and check. Okay, we saw something fb.log. See, by seeing the name fb.log, some people might think might be that is some log file or these and all. So never get. There is a statement, right? Never. What is that? Underestimate the book by its cover, like that. See, let us. If you can, you can see there is a manifest file in that. You can see there is a classes.dex file in that. It is not a log file. It is some text class file which is stealing the data. Okay, so we got a path. So let us exit and let us go to CD. Let us create one folder to pull that file, right? So make dir now scan. So CD now scan. So headb pull. So let us try to pull whole folder only. So it's pulled. So let us try now. Where is desktop, bugdax, and now scan files. So this is a file. This is it is as a text file, but it is not a text file. It loads dynamically. Let us go. Yeah, guys. This is a text loader. I mean text loader file. Let us try to see what it contains. Right. Let us go for the first package only. Canteen. Throw new unsupported exam method not decompiled. Okay. Can we see Smalley code? For people, I'm not sure everyone can understand the Smalley. So try to carry home if possible. So it is putting something to shade preference. What is there in shade preference? I didn't even check it out. Right. Let me try to check what it is there in shade preference too. Data slash com dot free dot href. What is that vxml? Okay, this is given some string name and some code. We don't know what is that code. It's okay. So what else is he doing? Okay, he is getting that string from there, and he is getting the data telephonary. Like he's invoking the telephonary that predefined class. Okay, okay. He is getting a get like sim operator data. See, if he is invoking telephonary manager, obviously he can get a sim operator data, network operator number, and your codes like sim details, everything. Telephone manager will give almost all the hardware interfaces details, including IMI number of you. See, get hardware address. That's what I meant. I was about to show that. Don't get too much confused with like Smalley. Smalley is like very good. Like it's little bit confused to understand, but it is like if you get to understand, like it is very easy to debug it. Even like we face a lot of difficulties when going through Smalley. There are like a lot of resources to learn about Smalley, so I suggest to go with them. So so these are the functions which are invoked. I can see in this package everything are there. So this guy is obfuscated his dex classes very nicely, I guess, because these are like confuses the analyzers. But let us see. Let us try to go. I mean, like keep track of everything. Get package manager. Get package names. It is identifying the packages installed in a mobile device. Okay. So what happened here? Jadax was unable to, decompile some methods here. So we tried to check it with a Smalley code. So we can try with the both things, right? So so this is the main suspicious things we have. Let us go. Let us go with some this BU hate something is there, right? Okay, it is invoking Facebook SDK. Did we see any Facebook SDK in the main source code? I don't think so. I have seen any Facebook SDK there. Oops, guys, sorry. Uh, com, no, not much. Okay, let us ignore it. Mm, it is he is using, so might be as sophisticated here. We'll see. We'll go ahead and we'll see what he is doing here. So FB he need them. So is initializing some things, some strings. Guys, you can see he is sending a SMS here. If you wanna see his Smalley code, let me try to show Smalley code also. Learn Smalley code. It's really good. Uh, SMS. You can see check permission. Sorry guys. Send SMS function is invoking here. Okay, let us not make complicated. We'll show here on this. So this is the functionality you can see. He is sending a SMS without a user consent. So you can see this is the right. This is the functionality which will be used to send SMS. So he's getting this string from this function. Uh, what was the string? VG by. Okay. See, this all like string obfuscation. This guy has done. Uh, he making us to like trying us to make it difficult to read the code. I can read. I'll try to read. I'm not sure. So I feel this is as a dump, right? Here I feel it is a request request. Here Android dot provider dot telephony dot SMS dot received. You know this API, right? What is this? I'm not sure. This is message failed. I guess yeah, this is a message filed. Like this. He has this is a Wi-Fi status VLAN a text two. So this is what like he has a string obfuscation. So if we are familiar with the strings like the common methods or common things, we can easily understand it. So not an issue. We'll see the things slowly. So let us go back to the previous function. Or like what we saw. Let us see what it is doing. So here if we come, okay, we can see there is a HTTP connection which is getting opened. So I mean like there is a server which is sending all the data back. So might be this, but MTN is something related to airtime services, right? So we are not sure, but let us go ahead. All right, so we saw opening connection here. We'll go further. So what is this doing? Index of okay, calculating. So it has some JSON array. Okay, it is creating JSON array. It is fetching an account manager. Get accounts using an account manager API is getting all the accounts. So what are accounts theoretically in a mobile device is as per my knowledge. So these are the accounts. I haven't added anything as it is a Genymotion. So basically, these are the accounts he is about to fetch, because that accounts as everything, like that is a what it sync with your contacts. If you have a Gmail, calendar, everything, right? So he is putting whatever put it. I mean, like whatever he fetched, he put it into JSON array. Obviously, that JSON array is returned by this function, and you can see this function is creating some static URL, and which will be passed from server, like for some server. Yeah, I think in the next function, get files directory. Okay, he is getting some files. Okay, okay. So here is the, I think this might be the URL where he is sending all data, because this is something new. Let's go and see whether this URL has something. Yes, so I think he have hosted by the error. I think he have hosted in AWS. I guess like by the error it displayed. I think he has hosted in somewhere in AWS. Hmm, yes. Let me keep it. I might need it for later. Let us go back to our analysis. So here is again opening a connection, and is writing the files whatever they copied. Sorry guys, cold issues, right? So he's again trying to get the path. Okay, com. Okay, yes, getting other text loader. I didn't see any other text loader. Does it have any other text loaders? No, right? I didn't see. Files. Sorry, only one. So, does it kept inside database? It's not possible. No, it's a TB. Not exactly. Might be he is checking for this particular package. Might be his own malware. Probably he is checking that package to get some data. So what is happening? If okay, okay, he is doing some logical stuff. See, like, he is obfuscated. It is very difficult to understand in this scenario. But from the use of some keywords like a post key and accounts visa and telephone manager visa, so from that we can analyze the stuff, right? Even if you see in Smiley also, all you see that the same thing, nothing different. So here uh, might be posting some data, probably. Yes, receive SMS. Actually, what happened? Like I forgot to make a video on that. Like during the installation of the app, it asked a permission of notification access also. Uh, I don't know how to show it here, but it asked me during installation of notification access. That's why I think it is asking the receive SMS permission, probably to read, which can be helpful to read. It's not available here, but it does ask me that permission. I remember exactly. He is asking a permission again. Okay, we already confirmed that he is sending SMS in our like in our code. Okay, he is dealing with something. Facebook SDK might be some stealing Facebook hot token or access token, probably, but not sure actually. What is this weather cycle club? Does he have, how many URLs does he have? Okay, let me try to see what does this URL do. Does oh, okay. Okay, yes, very good website. Yeah, my okay. My bit defender has identified some threat. What it is? Okay, infected, dangerous. Yeah, this is one of the advantage of having a good antivirus, right? So it will detect and it will delete automatically the stuff if it is downloading something. So if we come down, it is doing some post request again here. So we saw the two things here. It is getting the accounts and it is sending SMS and it is checking for the packages. Yeah, I think packages because he might have spread another like malware through other apps. He might checking for that malware to activate or to get a data from the open provider. Is the provider of this app is exported? No, it is not exported here. Grant your permission is true. Okay, not an issue. Let us go with our analysis. Uh, okay. Guys, I think like what might be yes doing, he might have see as he has a ability to identify a state of a phone and a get context. He is doing MTN service. See, wherever I see he is using MTN API calls. See, what does MTN does in the sense MTN is gives a hate time specialty or of service for vendors, right? So probably he might have using that MTN service and he configured his own VoIP server where he can call and he can charge the I mean like he can deduct the users money probably. I'm not sure because that's how the call like toll fraud or call fraud works, right? See, he is setting some secure token probably of that only or might yeah secure token might be fetching its secure session ID. Let us see. So this is what we saw here. So, if we come here, this is a like obfuscation, guys, pure obfuscation. Okay, here HTTP portal dot big big. Okay, something is there. Okay, we have to remove this from everywhere. Like if you remove portal NUNSB, big fun. Yes, space big fun space.com slash web slash load slash image. Okay, nice, right? I read it, guys. I read it. Same like this for everything. JB badge like that. Header scheme schedule pop message message. So here enable notification, guys. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Enable see enable notification listeners. See, that's what I said. You right. I mentioned. I remember exactly. It has took us notification also. You can see this is how the string obfuscation works actually. It tries to confuse the analyzers, but we should have a patience to read it. So that's what like now we confirm that it is listening to our notification. It is sending messages in SMS fraud it is doing, and it is getting all the accounts, and it is listening to all the packages, right? So we proved this much so far. See, it is getting the default SMS packages and SMS message might be. He's checking the network stuff. Uh, Same activities. Okay. Add SMS. Probably adding his own custom message to spread this malware. Probably. Possible. This is some Java interface. Okay, let us see some suspicious stuff. Okay. Yes, he is sending SMS. A cam scanner app sending SMS. Few things are not decompiled from JADAX. Happens because probably because of the instruct. I mean, like the obfuscation method. The what JADAX might be unable to identify. It happens. Send empty message. Chase prompt. Chase confirm. Web Chrome client. Okay. 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 Let us go. MTN. Yeah, guys. I think we are doing with some MTN. Might that's what like by using MTN, if he activates that MTN service on his web server, now I we saw right, he's sending SMS also. So if he has some premium member like numbers, he can send any message to his own numbers. So whatever the deduction charge will be credited to his web server. Yes, probably the same thing. Yeah, he has some activation. What is this activate? I don't know. Let's see what is this activate. Uh, Okay, let it load and we'll go down. Okay, let it. Okay. I think nothing difference when it comes to the same things. Yeah, it does have some key values stored. Uh, Post, we can't see the post. Okay, okay, he's activating something, might be that MTN service or web service probably for this number. Yes, obfuscated it very well. For a beginner like me, it is not so easy, but I'm trying my best to reverse engineer. These are, yeah, guys, MTN service, as per my knowledge, it is for that like airtime services. You can see he is doing that only what I like as I expected. Okay, here he is capturing the OTP or is activating some service for your mobile number through the API calls which we saw, and he has a receive SMS or read SMS permission. So he is reading the OTP because he is able to see pin not received also. Whatever it is there, he is touching that and he is pinging. Okay, what is the return of this? I think he is that's what like confirm OTP. Yeah, he has that read SMS permissions. Now he can read SMS and he can just activate it. Probably yes, guys. Might be my guess is correct. Might be my guess is correct. Okay, this is some huge URL. Okay, some key values. Okay, nice, nice, nice attempt from this guy. Yeah, so we saw right. So this is how easy he is doing. So similar functionalities again. Same string obfuscation and same. We have proved, guys, by so far, like only we proved that he is doing read SMS, he is getting our data, he is doing SMS fraud, he is doing toll fraud, right? He is sniffing around our device. We already proved that, and we even saw the API URLs also, right? And we also saw how is he sending data also. So this is just the report of this. Let us see if some virus total stuff if we have. Let us see some virus total results. Choose file. Virus total gives some good information, guys. Okay, already it has been. Oh, does it affect Win32? God, I have using Windows machine. Okay, let me uninstall the app soon. Okay, so details. Uh, well. As we discussed, dangerous permissions and some Google APIs. Okay. Mm, relations. These are the important stuff. Well, Alibaba Cloud Computing. Yeah. Okay. We saw Aliniscus URL here. Okay. He's using Alibaba Cloud. Uh, yeah. Probably. I thought AWS. Not a bad guess because AWS even has the same. Yeah. What I saw. Okay, let us see the graph of this affected graph. So the behavior, by the behavior, we can tell it's a Trojan. Also, I feel it has doing some spyware. What does Joker, Joker, Joker is the what? That's what like it. It's a Trojan, and it does spies on us. So, oh God, come on, slowly. Okay, so these are right. This is the infected API. So this is a APK. Okay, it's a Trojan, Joker Trojan. Hmm. USA country and China, Alibaba. Right? Yes, guys. So I think this is it for this video. So what I wanna tell at the end, whatever the app you wanna install from a Play Store or anywhere, please think twice whether this app need this permission, whether like this behavior of a app does need so and so permission, because in this scenario QR code scanner, what does it have to be do with contacts or phone state? It has to just scan the barcode or QR code and it just have to do its work. There is no appropriate things on fetching the contact. I mean, like creating the context permission or external storage. So this is about this app, guys. So stay safe, so stay secure. We'll see you again. Bye bye. Good night.